this wig from West Kiss. It came with some lashes, okay, an elastic band, a Christmas card, a wig cap, and a bag to put your wig back in. Now, this is a 26-inch wig, a HD lace, large cap, 200 density, deep wave wig. Ooh, she's so nice and so full. She's a deep wave wig, and it is a 5x5 closure. Look at that. Like, it looks so bomb just right here. Ooh, just wait till we bleach these knots. All right, so the inside of the cap looks like this. It comes with combs and adjustable straps. It does not have an elastic band on it. We can add our own. And this is the texture, okay? Look at it. This is giving me Jerry curl vibes over deep wave, but whatever, we still gonna rock it because she's long and beautiful. All right, so you guys know the deal. We're gonna use Quick Blue and 40 volume developer to bleach these knots. You also need a tinting bowl or any bowl of your choice and a tinting brush or however you want to apply your bleach. So because this is a 5x5 closure, I'm going to do a half a scoop and apply it on the knots, and I'll show you that after I'm done. All right, so I have the bleach all mixed up and I turned my wig inside out. Because I am filming on my phone, I can't not hold it and apply the bleach. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bleach and I'll come back after I do that. Right, so the bleach is on. As you can see, I always push my bleach through just to get the knots cracking, okay? And because I'm pressed for time, I'm going to use heat to help heat this up. And y'all see me do this before. This is so ghetto, but listen, when you in a rush, you feel me? You know, certain things just gotta go, okay? So I'm gonna turn her on 10 minutes. And I'm gonna sit her by my conventional oven and let this bleach warm up. I am gonna watch it, but because I did use 40 volume and I do not want to over bleach it. But yeah, no, I want to go out tonight, so we're gonna have to hurry up and bleach this. All right, you guys, so this is going to be a quick install because the focus of this video, because I got a couple of comments asking how do I wear my wigs to sleep? Like if I was to wear my wigs to sleep, if they were glued down, what do I do? How do I do it? So I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my wig down. It's the same way basically for curly hair or straight hair. Straight hair is a little different. I treat it as a silk wrap, but you'll hear me talk about this at the end. So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cut off the excessive lace. That's what you guys see me doing. This is HD lace. So this lace already melts into my skin without me even having to do anything. I have a hate and love relationship when it comes to HD lace because HD lace is so bomb, it's so thin, but it's so fragile, and you could rip it. You could just rip it, and it's just so sad that it's so fragile because it's so bomb. Look how it is blending onto my skin. Like, I don't even have makeup on it yet, and it is already blending, and it's already thin. Like, that is amazing. That's amazing lace. So when you see them girls on Instagram and their lace is blended and melted to the gods, they're most likely using HD lace, friend. I'm not even gonna cap with you, but it's expensive and it's fragile. So if you do not know how to use lace or take care of your lace, then I would not suggest HD lace for you. So I'm going to go ahead and push my wig back, and I'm going to take my liquid gold. That is a glueless product, okay? This is not glue. This is a water-based product. If you want to remove your wig, all you have to do is wet it with water and it will slide on off quick, not in a couple of seconds at that. So I didn't blow dry it down yet. I was just doing my baby hairs. And then by the time I did my baby hairs and everything, my glue was basically, my liquid gold was basically already dry. So I didn't even have to go in with the blow dryer. So yeah, I'm actually using the liquid gold to lay down my baby hairs as well, and it's working pretty well. Like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, I was in a rush that night, and I don't typically have on wigs. I don't think you guys know that. Like if I'm at home and I'm not doing nothing, I want to be ugly. Like I just don't want no makeup. I don't want no wig on. I want my Cleos to be out. I want to have my bonnet on. I just want to be comfortable and free. And so when my best friend, who's in the back, you guys see her, she came over and we was going to one of our friends' birthday parties. So it was at a bar, and I had to put on something because I didn't want to wear a turban or anything like that. So I had to get somewhat cute. And so you see me right now. I'm putting on, I'm using the hot comb to lay the top of the hair down, and I'm gonna use my my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm gonna spray the hairline as well just to make sure that it's gonna stay in place. And then I use a little bit of Got To Be, and I spray it in my hand, and I put it on top of my hair just to make sure all the flyaways are down. And I used a little bit of hair shine. What shine is that? Oh, that's BioSilk. BioSilk. Oh, that's a whole nother video. So this video is a bit all over the place. I'm back at home. You see me earlier. I had my makeup on, I had my wig on. She looked cute. I went out, I was rushing, so I didn't get to really do the ending scenes of the video. But because I'm going to keep this wig on, I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap my hair if I have a wig on, which is glueless, but I still use something to help adhere this wig down. So I'm gonna show you what I do when I do have a wig on, a big fluffy wig like such. And how I, wrap it up so I can sleep in it at nighttime. All right. So first, let me show you this wig because she's giving and she's very thick and juicy. Okay. So, and yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of hair. Oh my God, it's so much hair on this wig and it's so pretty. The density is definitely high and I love it because it's an effortless wig, and I myself love big hair. The bigger the hair, the happier I'm going to be, especially when it comes to curliness. You feel me? I love me some curly hair. All right, now the lace on this unit is definitely really good. It is HD and it's giving the HD love. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice. You feel me? I don't even need these little hairs right here. You feel me? But I like them there when I wear closures. But I just absolutely love this hair. Now, she could get big. She could get very big, but there's nothing stopping you from putting more water, more mousse. If you feel like this hair is too big, you can get a lower density. If you like the density, but you want it a little bit more, defined, you can add a little curl cream or a little bit of gel. Just something that'll just make your hair sit and look nice. And see me, I don't mind the frizz. You feel me? I don't mind it. Now, as far as this cap, this is a big wig. This is a big girl, okay? This is a large cap. I am a size 22.5, 23 depends on how my braids is under there looking, because sometimes the braids is looking shabby. So when my braids is shabby and my hair has been growing and it's like fluffy underneath, like I could be a 23 easily. You feel me? But this wig, the cap is definitely on the bigger side. So ladies, this is big head friendly. If you have a small head like a 21-inch circumference, this is not the wig for you, because you will have a lot of hang time in the back, and I have hang time in the back. You feel me? I'm so glad that I actually added a elastic band onto this, so it also helps pull this wig down and keep it secure on my head, even if I didn't use a glueless product like a hairspray or the Boho Liquid Gold. I always use silicone mix when it comes to my wigs. So silicone mix is always going to keep my wigs nice and juicy and healthy. All right, I would advise you guys to do the same when it comes to your wigs. You feel me? Because if you want your curls to last, if you want your wigs to last, you don't want your hair to be dry, you want to use silicone mix, because it's just going to make it easy for you to, 1, detangle your wig, and 2, keep your longevity cracking. All right, I feel like I've been talking so much. I'm gonna show you guys the hair, and then we're gonna go in and do me wrapping my hair up for the night, because it is definitely early in the morning, late night, early morning, and I'm ready to lay down. All right, hold on. Okay, so you guys, so this is the hair. I'm just going to finger comb this section. I did split my hair into two down the middle. I finger comb it. I don't use a brush or a comb to do that because I don't want it to get bigger. So I am going to just do two plaits into the hair, so one on each side, and I'm gonna braid it all the way down until I get to the ends. And once I get to the ends, I like to twist it all the way down. No reason, you could do either or. You just want to make it easier for you to sleep at night, because having big hair like this makes it definitely hard for you to sleep at night. And you don't, and especially if the hair is long, you don't want to be laying on it and just uncomfortable. So I like to do this. If I have a frontal on and I have like a straight wig, I will wrap it like a silk press. Like, I plays no games with this. So yeah, this is what I do when it comes to curly or wavy hair. Going to need something to wrap your legs down, an elastic band, a scarf, whatever your choice is, a stocking. You just need something, friend. You just need something. So what I like to do is I like to lay my baby hairs down where I want them to be for the night, and I'll use spritz to do that with my edge brush. But my baby hair is okay. So what I typically do is I'll go and I'll spray my lace lightly, and then I'll go ahead and wrap this down. So spray your lace and then take your elastic band and tie her down. I'll take a bonnet. I will take my braids, fold them up in the back like that, and throw a bonnet on. So then I will throw a bonnet on, and then I'm ready to go to sleep. And so in the morning, all I do is take the elastic band off, unravel the braids, spritz some water on there, put some mousse on there, and then the curls would just start popping. Then I will comb all of that goodness through just to hydrate the hair back and get the curls popping and tamed, because it is bigger. So once you do that, it's going to go to a smaller state, and throughout the day your hair is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, because that's just what curly hair do, friend. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. You guys know I will be down there to answer them. And until next time, bye, best friends.